So today I'm about to show you how to add tags to a workflow in N8N. First, open your N8N workspace and click into the specific workflow you want to organize. Navigate to the top left corner right next to your workflow's name and click on the plus icon button. A drop-down modal will instantly appear. You can either click on an existing global tag from your library to apply it, or simply type in a brand new tag name like production or marketing. Hit enter to attach it instantly. Pro tip: tags are global across your entire N8N instance, allowing all teammates to filter by them on the main workflows dashboard. To keep massive workspace pristine, use automated workflows to auto-convert your legacy tags into the newer native folder structures, or match them directly via N8N API schemes. And that's it. That's how to add tags to a workflow in N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.